Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about something that I picked up at the grocery store because I had actually had it in a restaurant recently and I really loved it. It was Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger plant-based burger patties. So they're essentially veggie burgers. It's so funny because I actually was at a restaurant in Fire Island and I ordered this and I was eating it and I was like, oh my god, did they give me a real burger on accident instead of the veggie burger? I had to double check with the waiter because it tasted so much like real meat and it's like red inside and it really resembled and tasted like real meat, so I got nervous. So they told me that like, no, it's just the Beyond Burger, it's just very much like meat, but they're cruelty free and they're better for you. So this has 20 grams of plant protein per serving. They are soy free, gluten free, and have no GMO. Pack comes with 2 in a box. So I'm going to be making them for dinner tonight. So they're ready to cook. It's a little cold out, so it's a little too cold to use the grill, so we'll probably just make them in the skillet because that's the other option. They are perishable, so keep refrigerated. Come with 2 quarter-pound patties, and the net weight is 8 ounces or 227 grams. If purchased refrigerated, used by... Oh, I didn't buy them refrigerated, but where's the date on here? I don't know where it is, but I did purchase them frozen. Retailer apply refrigerated, used by date, which they didn't do. Here it says, at Beyond Meat, we started with simple questions. Why do you need an animal to create meat? Why can't you build meat directly from plants? Very true. It turns out you can, so we did. We hope our plant-based meats allow you and your family to eat more, not less, of the traditional dishes you love, while feeling great about the health, sustainability, and animal welfare benefits of plant protein. Together, we can truly bring exciting change to the plate and beyond. And they did have the date, so it says best by May 9th, 2019. So go Beyond. The message was from Ethan Brown, founder and CEO. Email is ethanandteam@beyondmeat.com. This is the future of protein on here. It's a new breed of burger built from plants. Join in, #BeyondBurger, #BeyondMeat on social media. Recommended cooking instructions: the barbecue and the skillet. So they are perishable, keep refrigerated and cook thoroughly before serving. Use within 3 days of opening. Do not refreeze. If purchased frozen, thaw in the refrigerator before cooking and consume within 10 days, which I didn't do. So I'm going to have to cook them in the skillet. Skillet, preheat grill or pan to medium high to high heat and cook for 3 minutes per side. Do not overcook. Interior of patty will still be red or pink when fully cooked. Fully cooked when internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So I guess they don't really recommend cooking these in the oven. Safe handling instructions: some raw products may contain bacteria that can cause illness if mishandled or cooked improperly. Keep refrigerated or frozen. Thaw in refrigerator. Keep raw products separate from other foods. Wash working surfaces, including cutting boards, utensils, and hands after touching raw products. Cook thoroughly. Keep hot foods hot. Refrigerate leftovers or discard. Manufactured from Beyond Meat in El Segundo, California. You can email ethanandteam@beyondmeat.com. Made in the USA from domestic and imported ingredients. Copyright 2017, Beyond Meat. Let's look at the nutrition facts. Nutrition facts for 1 patty or 4 ounces or 113 grams per container 2. 270 calories, 170 calories from fat. Total fat 20 grams, saturated fat 5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 grams, sodium 380 milligrams, potassium 340 milligrams, total carbs 5 grams, dietary fiber 3 grams, sugar 0 grams, and protein 20 grams. Vitamin A 0%, vitamin C 6%, calcium 2%, iron 30%, phosphorus 25%. Ingredients: water, pea protein isolate, expeller pressed canola oil, refined coconut oil, contains 2% or less of the following: cellulose from bamboo, methylcellulose, potato starch, natural flavor, maltodextrin, yeast extract, salt, sunflower oil, vegetable glycerin, dry yeast, gum arabic, citrus extract to protect quality, ascorbic acid to maintain color, beet juice extract for color, acetic acid, succinic acid, modified food starch, and annatto for color. All ingredients from non-GMO sources. These are vegan, soy-free, gluten-free, and have no GMOs. Printed on 100% recycled paper using soy-based ink. Previously frozen, perishable, keep refrigerated. All ready to cook and ready to go. They're packaged just like meat would be on here. So I'm going to cook these on the skillet. They even smell like meat to me. But they're not, which is awesome. I'm going to make a side of mashed cauliflower, which is frozen, which I'm heating up with this. So they're really delicious and have so much flavor. You wouldn't even realize that it's not real meat. So this is the Beyond Burger, Beyond Meat plant-based burger patties. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try them out and love them. Thanks for watching.